you guys are very angry with me because I keep saying I'll continue with my vlog, but then I tend to forget to vlog because I have stopped vlogging for a very long time and it's so hard to get back on it. 그때야 막 당시 니만 이라서 막 누르스에치라 무슨 십치인데 치더라 요kal리 됐어 다양한 기술 뭐 무슨 관리 제 it's okay now this 갈라오래 나 당신이라 디팅 당보다도 없습니다가 스트라이크 친구가 당신 동시에 우리 롱리 담라 샤이야 아니 제치도 막 제니네 매뉴얼 놓봐 에디시니 타샤 아니 디넴보다 델라 블루 dot 저려 디넴 나 안차이더라 땅아 제니 막 칼리 싱사야 so right now my hair look guys I'm obsessed with my hair literally obsessed with my hair. Okay guys, now no much talking to do. I have to go to Majnukatilla, just randomly roaming around and skill up with retreat because I'm jobless guys. And so I literally have to figure something out in my life. So right now I've just joined and to be in their event we have to go to beer. So I have to go Majnukatilla and cut myself a beer ticket. Literally I'm running out of air now, so guys I'll get ready, full dress up, and then I'll show you. So me and Sakshi are here in MKT.
Yeah, we are hanging out and we are doing what? क्या बोलते उसको?
Gossiping, chit-chatting.
कहना क्या चाहते हो?
पता नहीं क्या बोल रहा हूँ.
Bum and we are here to eat the spring potato, and we have.
I'm going to try this for the first time.
Yeah, it's the first time.
Yeah.
Oh my god! And we have two more
I
people.
always try laughing.
Okay, sorry. Okay, so we're gonna go there because Pasang suggested that the other one is better. This looks little purana.
Okay.
So we'll go there.
Okay, let's go.
Try.
I'm going to try this for the first time. I don't know how to try.
Yeah, eat like her. Sigo. Sakshi is still.
I'm not able to eat.
You eat a bit, no? Tasty?
It's nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Worth the money?
Yeah. How much is it? 50 rupees. Yeah, it is worth the money.
Okay.
Let's try.
Yeah.
Okay, Chungmak is going to try.
Time, but it's always so good.
Sorry.
Very simple. Fresh juice में दे दो.
How much did you like it? Yes, yeah. How much did you like it?
I will rate it 10 out of 10 because of it cost 50. It was amazing. But it was spicy also.
Yeah. It was right spice for me. The right amount of spice.
Now let's go to eat some.
Lapping. Next destination is Lapping. Spicy chana. There is a secret taste. Very few people know it. And then I'm taking them to it.
And I'm going to try that for the first time.
Yeah.
Hello everyone, welcome to the Lookout Cafe Rooftop. Best signature side view, new rooftop open.
So the same thing next.
I forgot what she said.
Hello, welcome to.
Hello, welcome to Majnukatilla.
Say hi, please don't play.
And the old man was totally drunk.
Hi guys, so we are here at Lakshmi Nagar and here at our favorite spot to eat pani puri. Second favorite spot, sorry, because first favorite spot is
Very
near
far
metro
away.
station. Here. Lakshmi Nagar में सबसे best पानी पूरी है. We're gonna have ice cream last dessert of the night, and that's it for my vlog today. Bye.